your body's trying to put the balance back in place. Everything that's happening to us as women is all hormonal. But then I changed my diet. There was a huge difference in the way my body received menstruation. It made me depressed, made me anxious, constantly worried, and then you start craving the menstrual.
Commercials just would pop up.
So no one sat with you and explained what the process would be like and what it.
I was caught off guard. My mom mentioned something about coming into womanhood. I could have been prepared better, but I was a teenager.
I never really had the experience like someone told me what it is. I was at a friend's house, you know when you used to do sleepovers back then when you were younger. So I think I went to the bathroom. For some reason I know my clothes was all red and I didn't know what to do. So I called my sister and I told her. She kind of explained it to me a little bit. I kind of didn't grasp and get it. I used to travel with extra stuff, extra underwear. I used to be more equipped where I traveled with everything in my school bag. And just in case if I had an accident by sitting down and something happened, I would go and change. But I never really get the full instructions of what it was and such. You know, I had to like figure it out.
I was 9 in the 3rd grade, and I had on all white, and we was at my cousin's baseball game. And I remember us going back to the house, and me and my cousin was sitting playing cards. He said, "What's that on your?" And I was like, "I don't know. I probably sat on something." And we just kept playing, and then we went home, and I went to the bathroom, and I started screaming. I'm dying! And Mom was like, "What else? I'm dying!" And I had an older sister, 4 years older than my mom, was cracking up. She said, "Girl, go in there and show your sister what to do." And you know, and that's how it kind of. But I was so young that she didn't think she had to have that conversation. So that was.
Yeah, so normally your body does go through an adjustment period.
All right, thank you.
I wanted to jump back to your question about, so the body craves magnesium and chocolate, cocoa, or cacao, you might hear people talking about cacao, which is like superfood, that has high levels of magnesium. So the reason you're craving chocolate is because your body's going through a period where it has low levels of magnesium and it wants the magnesium. So you literally crave the chocolate. You're also having sweet cravings too, but your body's craving the magnesium in the chocolate. And the magnesium helps to boost your serotonin, which is the feel good chemical. Yeah, so during the menstrual cycle, your serotonin and your cortisol kind of does a fluctuation. And so cortisol is like stress. That's the stress hormone. So it will go up and it will make you feel, you know, maybe depressed, maybe anxious, constantly worrying. And then you start craving the magnesium because your body's trying to put the balance back in place. So it's craving magnesium because magnesium helps to make and create and produce serotonin in your body. And the sugar is the craving of sugar is because you probably your body wants more nutrients. So eating greens and leafy greens will give your body what it needs during that period, and then you won't have as many sugar cravings. So if you're eating bitters like dandelion greens or maybe kale, and if you have access to it, then yes.
Is it normal for your appetite to decrease during that time? Always?
Sometimes,
Yeah,
some because it disappears.
Yeah, I'm not really hungry.
You're not, and so maybe your body doesn't need. But if you feel that it's affecting your ability to have energy and move through the day, then you can eat bitter greens. Bitter greens help to stimulate the appetite and makes you want to eat more parsley and cilantro and things like that.
That's like releasing hormones.
It's the cramps here in your abdomen and the headaches. So headaches may be in response to probably your sugar levels, but cramps is the muscles actually pushing some of the blood into the uterus wall. So you're feeling your muscles constantly contracting, but it's your actual muscles. So again, magnesium will help to ease some of that. And you can drink teas as well too. Some teas that you can drink and include in your daily diet will be cramp bark. And you can get those teas in a box, or you can buy them in bulk. But cramp bark is one. Peppermint helps as well too. As simple as it might seem, peppermint tea helps a lot. Ginger will help to ease any of the cramping that you may have.
My flow has always been like every other month. And it basically lasts 3 days. But now, I've gotten the IUD, and I've noticed that it comes all the time, and it's like a period flow that is the entire month.
So I was like, you just got it in.
Yeah, 3 months ago.
Yeah, just give it some time and then you'll see.
That's stored in those, low quality plastics. You're actually ingesting chemicals that trigger estrogen in your body. So then what happens is your estrogen just goes up. So it creates an imbalance. So you find yourself needing more. So, those are things that you can think about. The heat is not so much, but then I changed my diet. I eliminated the red meat. I eliminated meats. I'm vegan, so I eat all plants. And when I remove dairy and meat from my diet, there is a huge difference in the way my body received menstruation. When I started seeing my cycle and it came, I no longer was in excruciating pain. A water fast starts with a liquid fast, a juice fast. So you're actually doing a juice fast. I don't know.
I'm gonna start on Monday. I said that
You can do it, because I have noticed a big difference. I dropped in weight, dropped some pounds. I would usually have on an extra large shirt, the large. I'm like, okay, it's working. But going hard is very, very difficult. But she's helping me.
Sorry, yes.
You've heard of Florina?
Spirulina is So spirulina is a sea vegetable that comes in like a powder form that you can utilize to supplement your diet. Yes. you can take spirulina, and it is a superfood, and it has minerals and so on that will help to replace purchase and add to shakes, juice, water, or anything.
The second question was, can you experience menopause early?
For me, I'm 31, and a few years ago, I had changes, getting hot flashes, night sweats. Even still to this day, when I wake up, there's like a pool of sweat. I could be in my underwears, and I'm like still hot. The summers kill me.
I've heard it that you can start at 35 because I know I'm 36, and I have private summers. Like I'm hot. All of a sudden my temperature rises. I'm not sure if it's from working out because I do work out a lot now consistently. So if your metabolism is in a good standing, you're more quickly to get hot. But I do notice that right now, I guess the change is happening because they say it could start at 27 for some, like our egg quality diminishes, but I have heard it, and it's not far-fetched. I mean, we have younger, I don't know what generation we are, X, Y, Z, whatever, getting colon cancer earlier because we're not eating enough roughage, which is lettuce, cabbage, and I struggle with that sometimes. Before I start my day, and it's meditating, and it's guided. I heard you said anxiety. I struggle with. I mean, most women do. Anxiety. It helps with mindful eating, and whatever sleeping habits.
Keep your hands
And
to
then they
yourself.
have
I don't
3-minute
like when
intervals if you can't do, and you're supposed to do at least to meditate or find your me time 3 times out of the day. That's 5 to 10 minutes. Just breathing and appreciating what was good today and so forth. So yeah, it's called Headspace if you want to check it out.
Your diet for yourself and your family, and other things that you can do, including Headspace, to help you with self-care, exercise, yoga, stretching. Feel free to use those things even during your 5 minutes before the children.
Thank you so much for coming.